Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Steam account on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to sign into your Steam account on your Android phone, let's open up our Steam app first, and this is our Steam app. If you have not yet installed it already, get it on the Play Store for free. And now to log into your Steam account on your Android phone, enter your Steam account name over here or your username of Steam. For me, it should be this one. Or you can just simply input your email address also over there, and after entering your email, enter your password over here. And after entering your password, tap on sign in, and it's the Steam card has been activated. Now guys, this is the final step towards our Steam login. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos, because guys, we do a lot of effort, or it takes a lot of effort to make these kinds of videos for you. And if you subscribe us, it will be kind of a motivation for us. So guys, don't hesitate to subscribe on our channel. Now let's log in. Let's open up our Gmail so that we can receive the Steam Guard's email. And here's our email, and you can see this is the email by Steam Guard itself. Now you can see the code over here. Let's copy and paste the code. Copy, and let's paste the code over here. Paste it and submit. And there guys, we have successfully signed into our Steam account on our Android. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.